Hello, friends. I'm glad you're here again to watch my videos, and I appreciate your support. Today, I would like to make Bandari Omelet, and for that purpose, we need some fresh coriander, some fresh basil, one onion chopped, and also 2 tomatoes, about 3 hot dogs, and some green cayenne pepper or any other spicy pepper you like, and some garlic and ginger. Now we need 5 eggs for the size of the omelette we want to make. So I've already cracked the eggs and gonna put them in the bowl, and add 2 tablespoons of milk, and use a handheld electric mixer to beat the eggs. When the egg white and egg yolk are mixed, that's that would do. Now we spray some oil on the frying pan. This is olive oil, and add the onions. Now we wait for the onion to get soft, just like what you see here, and we are going to add the ginger and garlic to it. Now we will mix them. Add a little bit more oil, and now is the time to add our curry. This is the Bandari Curry, 1 teaspoon. I've given the ingredients in the description. Please go and have a look how to make Bandari Curry. You also add half a teaspoon of salt, when they were mixed, we are going to add the tomatoes. Mix them and wait till the tomatoes get just a little bit softer. Now we are adding the hot dogs. And mix. You gotta keep tasting the hot dogs to see when they're cooked. Being a vegetarian, I can't do that myself, but when you're cooking, you can taste them and see when they're ready. Now we will add another teaspoon of Bandari Curry and another half a teaspoon of salt. Now the hot dogs are cooked. A friend of mine tasted them. Now I'm adding the eggs. Being organic egg, it's really yellowish. Now we add the coriander, fresh coriander, and fresh basil. And the green cayenne pepper. You can add as much as you like or use any other spicy green pepper you like. Now we mix everything and make sure that they're evenly mixed. And then flatten the mixture. And wait for the omelette to harden a bit. Now I've turned on the grill and we are gonna put the omelette in there and broil it for a few minutes so that the top gets cooked as well. Now it looks fine. We are going to transfer it into a serving dish by shaking the pan. It's gonna move and you can just drop it in there. Now this is the omelette, and we usually it's eaten with the Persian flatbread. This is lavash bread. Thanks for watching.